John Logie Baird was a Scottish inventor and engineer who is credited with being the first person to demonstrate a working television system. He was born in 1888 in Helensburgh, Scotland, and attended Larchfield Academy, a boarding school in Helensburgh. He later studied electrical engineering at the Glasgow and West of Scotland Technical College. Baird began his career working as an electrical engineer for the Clyde Valley Electrical Power Company. In 1914, he moved to London where he worked on various projects, including developing a machine to manufacture shoe lasts and a device to detect submarines. In the early 1920s, Baird became interested in the idea of television and began experimenting with ways to transmit moving images. In 1924, he demonstrated a system that used a mechanical method of scanning images, which he called the televisor. This system was able to transmit images over a distance of a few feet. In 1925, Baird gave a public demonstration of his televisor at Selfridges department store in London. This was the first public demonstration of a working television system, and it attracted a great deal of interest. Later that year, Baird formed the Baird Television Development Company and began working on improving his system. In 1926, Baird transmitted the first long-distance television signal between London and Glasgow, a distance of about 160 miles. He also successfully transmitted the first transatlantic television signal between London and New York in 1928. Baird continued to develop and improve his television system throughout the 1930s. In 1936, he demonstrated the first color television system, which used a system of color wheels to add color to the black and white images. However, this system was not adopted as the industry standard. During World War II, Baird worked on developing radar systems for the British government. After the war, he returned to television development, and in 1946, he demonstrated the first high-definition television system. However, by this time, other companies had developed rival systems and Baird's system was not adopted as the industry standard. Baird died in 1946 in Bexhill-on-Sea, England, at the age of 57. He was recognized for his contributions to the development of television and inducted into the Royal Television Society's Hall of Fame in 1985. Despite not being the one who created the final product that is the TV, as we know today, Baird's work and experimentation laid the foundation for modern television technology. His mechanical scanning system was eventually replaced by electronic scanning systems, but Baird's ideas and inventions were crucial in the development of television, as we know it today. His contributions to the field of television were significant, and his legacy continues to be recognized in the industry. Today, Baird is remembered as a pioneer in the field of television technology, and his work continues to influence the development of television and video technology.